else.
Yeah. But they made like just a sequel to the original one.
There we go. I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing my first ball. Oh, I got it! What's a super thing?
Got 2 balls. Playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Paper Man loves NES.
As soon as you start taping, it did bad.
Actually, I saved them before you even noticed, but... Thank you very much, Elvis Pinball as well.
I'm good at that one. Oh, he's in the grind.
You won't like Grandpa when he's angry. In the movie, he has the mallet. He tries to hit the lady over the head, but he can't even barely move. He needs to drink some blood. Paper Man loves NES. I was gonna say I drink blood, but that's gross. Like it.